Today we're gonna be opening an elite exchange pack. I mean an elite player pack, guys. As you can see, I have 49k right now. I'm trying to get enough for ultimate freeze when it comes out, so I can make a video about that, guys. So let's get into this one pack. There's gonna be a little quick video, but I want to make sure since I haven't uploaded in about a week, guys. So let's see what we get out of this. Let's see what we get. Come on. 87 plus 3, God. 86. Okay, I'm going to see it. I think it's a cape, a great ball. I mean, that's not capable.